Hi everyone, welcome back, and boy am I excited about today's video. So, if you haven't guessed from the title, today's video is in collaboration with Alexis Cassandra Art. I will go ahead and leave a link down below in the description to her channel, and I really encourage you guys to go and check her out if you haven't already. She is an amazing artist. Now, I've actually been watching her channel for quite a while, and she was one of the art YouTubers that I was watching before I even started my channel, and I really enjoyed watching her videos, and I liked the way that she was doing her videos. And when I realized another artist like her could be successful on YouTube, I thought, why not? Let's give it a try and see where it goes. And a year ago when I started my channel, I would have never thought that I would be doing a collaboration with somebody that I watched before I even started my channel. So I just want to give a big shout out to Alexis and say thank you so much for doing this collaboration with me. And I just want to say thank you guys, because I just recently passed 1,000 subscribers, which, again, I didn't know if that would ever happen. I didn't know if there would be anybody interested in watching my videos, and yet here you guys are. So I wouldn't be doing this without you guys as well. So I want to give a big thank you to everyone who watches my videos, shares them, likes them, leaves a comment. All of that really helps me out. So thank you so much. And just to say a big thank you to everybody that's subscribed to my channel and who supports me, I will be doing a 1K giveaway. I will have that video coming out probably next week, so stay tuned for that. Now, for those of you who don't know Alexis, she actually has a tradition where she does a Grinch drawing or painting every year. And so I went and asked her if I could join in her tradition this year and do a Grinch drawing of my own. So this is what you guys are seeing in the background here. And I decided to pick up my Copic markers this year, and I'm doing the base with the Copic markers, and I'll go on top with the colored pencils to create some more details. Now, if you guys are interested in the full real-time version of this, I do have that available over on my Patreon. I will go ahead and link that down below. You guys will get the line art, as well as all of the supplies and colors that I've used, and a detailed walkthrough as I'm doing it in real time. But let's get back to the artwork. So as you can see, I'm using my Copic markers. Now, these are my favorite alcohol-based markers, and they just blend so nicely. I love that they have the brush tip on them, and it just makes it so easy to get into little corners and crevices. And I find the brush tip actually helps blend the markers a little bit. But because I know for this piece that I'm going to go on top with colored pencils, I'm not worrying about too much making the smoothest gradient with my alcohol markers, because the colored pencils will go over top of that and help create a better transition between the colors. Now, for my Copic markers, I went ahead and chose colors that would be sort of my midtones. I do have a little bit of darks that I'm trying to create in here, just so I can see where the depth is starting, but I'll go back in with the colored pencils and put the highlights in the brighter colors and the darker colors and really start to create that depth. But as you can see with the Copic markers, I'm still able to create a lot of detail, and you could go ahead and do this whole piece with just the Copic markers. You might just want to add in a couple extra darker colors just to really punch up that contrast, but you could definitely do this whole thing with just the markers. But as you'll see later on when I go in with the colored pencils, it really just creates some nice smooth depth and transition. And I also use the colored pencils to create some texture on top of the markers. So with the hat and with the Grinch's hair and little Max's fur, I really use those pencils to go in and create that fur texture. Again, I just want to say a big thank you to Alexis for this collaboration. So I'm going to go ahead and just put some Christmas music in here and let you guys enjoy the process. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye!
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days. Wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belts. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. I'll pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arm. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present. Come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year. Drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door. It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.